Okay, so I'm going to kind of show what I use to kind of hold accountability for students as they're watching my homework videos. I don't know if this is the ideal resource to use for remote learning, but it is an option. So first, you're going to want to go to the PSD EdTech website, click on Pro Accounts. You're going to want to go down, fill in your name, school, blah, blah, and you're going to want to create an account with PlayPosit. PlayPosit is this really cool program where you can insert videos, either videos you make, which is what I do, or YouTube videos, like informational videos that you want kids to answer questions about. So what I do is I go to playposit.com. I've created an account already. I go log in. It automatically signs me in with Google. I didn't even have to click that, but if you're first doing it, that's what you can do. Here are some ones I've already made. So here, let me see if I can. I won't worry about an example. What I'll do is I'll create what we call a bulb. Don't know why they call them. It's just what they call it. I'm going to create a bulb. And I've got all these options. I'm going to under here, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to enter the designer. And what I'm going to do is I am going to insert a YouTube video. So I'm just going to use my how to make a Wii video one because I've already exported that. I'm going to copy that link. You can either search, so I could search Unit 4-5 homework. This is something I do for US history. I could search it. Here's my immigration video. I can click on that and insert it. But right now I have a link to a different one. So I'm going to insert that link of my remote learning how-to video. I'm going to click on that. And then here is my YouTube video about how to do remote learning in this coronavirus time. What I could do now is if I want to use a YouTube video and I just want them to do like, 10 minutes? Something like that. I could, it's not letting me right now. I hit done. And I want to go in. Okay, so I hit done. I've inserted it. I'm going to go back, click on it, and I could hit trim and crop. So what I could do is maybe I just want people to watch certain section. Maybe I want them to watch from, so I've watched the YouTube video. I want them to watch the 3 minutes, 42 seconds of that YouTube video to 5 minutes, 52 seconds. So if I want to do a documentary, I could do just a short insert of that. Or if I want, so I recorded my entire how-to video and I want students to watch the entire video of like a screencast for a lesson. That's what I usually do. I'll just make sure it's all there, hit done, and then hit add video. Oops, nope, don't hit add video. I've already added my video. Okay, so I have my video already added. I would hit play. I'm gonna, I'm gonna mute it because the audio is gonna be really funky right now since I'm recording from my laptop speaker. And you don't need that weird recording. So I want students to watch up until this point. And then I would hit add interaction. And what's going to happen is I can then put in a question. So what is the first step to create a Wii video for students? I could say email Kevin Murray. Wouldn't he love that if we all email him? It could be go to EdTech site and create a pro account. I might also put create new project. If you watched it, you should know you should start off by going to an EdTech video. Okay, so I'm going to have that. So then I'm going to keep playing my video. I'm going to have to keep it. If you notice, there's now this little dot. That means I have a question right there. I want to add another interaction. This one I want to pause, or I might have free response where students like write their own response. I can do fill in the blank if it's a, so fill in the blank. So they'll fill it in here and then continue. Oh, I'm going to need fill in the blank. Correct answer. Oh, make this a lot better. Okay, and I'll kind of just keep going. Usually what I do is, since I record PowerPoints, I have like a blank screen, and that's where I put all my questions. Oops, sorry. But I'm just kind of showing you. So what is this going to look like? Let me preview it. So I'm going to play. Hopefully the audio is still, the audio is going. You don't need that. That's speed. Okay. So let me mute it because you don't need to hear the audio going. But I'm going to go. Students are watching all this information. And I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm going to keep recording. So students are watching a video, and then it's going to eventually just pause and have a question pop up. So, comprehension question based off of what the teacher just taught me. What is the correct answer going to be? Maybe I'm going to say email Kevin Murray. Ooh, that is incorrect. Here's the correct one. Well, better luck next time. Gonna keep going. And then same thing is gonna happen. Maybe. Awesome, so then I would put in correct answer. Awesome, I got it right. So this is just kind of one way I have students accountable for the videos that they make. So if you don't want to do that type of video, stop watching. If you do want to make something similar to like what I just did, here is what you need to do. So you're going to start by going to, so you've created an account. Let me go. Nope. Great tutorial, Caitlin. All right, so you go, here is your home account. I'm going to click classes over on the left. I'm going to add a new class. So I need to do this with my World Geography period 3 because I don't currently have this. Let me choose a color. I don't know. I'm going to do green because green is calming right now. Perfect. And I have, so what I then want to do. Okay, so this is where your grade book is going to be. So I don't want to show you student grades, but I'm going to, when I click on this, I can go in and show gradebook, and it would show different student bulbs or videos that they've watched and the percentages of what they get. I don't want to do that just for student privacy because that isn't necessary even to other teachers. It'll look different. It'll be fine. I'm going to click on learners. So I don't have any students in world geography. I'm going to click on learners. And I'm going to click on upload learners. Now this isn't as easy as Google Classroom. So this is a clunkier program, but it works. So if I want students to join my PlayPosit class, I can have them. So first they would have to go in and create a student account. Second, so instead of login, they would click sign up, sign in with Google. And then what the second step would be to click on this link. Then it'll help have them go into their class. So let me go period 1. So this is what they would then see in their class. So here are different videos that I've had my first period do. Look at them, so on top of it, 30 responses each time. Love it. So that's kind of what they would see. They would then click and watch a video, answer questions. And then under gradebook, I would be able to get their scores. I can see written responses, things like that. every once in a while, this program can be a little clunky, like I said. So if students respond and say that link isn't working, copy this for them. And then what they can do is somewhere. Okay. They will have, instead of add new bulb, they will have a button that says add new, like add class. They would click on that, and then they would type in that code that you just copied from here. It's a long one, so this should troubleshoot, do it all, but if you need to troubleshoot, this would be option 2. Then whenever, so what I do, sorry, this isn't as seamless as other videos I have made. So if this is, I want students to watch this video about the home front during World War I would click over here on the 3 dots, and I would click Assign. I'm going to see the classes I want to assign this to give them access to. So let's say I want my World Geography Period 3 to watch it. I'm going to click on this, and this is where you put due dates, which it's not like they can no longer access videos after the due date. It'll show them that it's past due. So I want them to watch it by this day, this time, then I'll hit OK. And then I get a link. So I would click and copy this link. I would go into Google Classroom. You know, all the fun things. I'm going to create an assignment, and I am going to add a link. Then I would hit assign. I'm not actually going to make them watch this because this isn't even for their class. Then students would be able to, I'll show you what it looks like for history class. Students would be able to go in and click on this link, and it would take them to a video. So this wouldn't pop up. This is because I am not in the classroom, but then they click the video, watch the video, take notes as I'm talking about the end of the war, and then at the end, they're going to answer questions and give me data about how well they understand the topic. This isn't as the best program, but it is a really good program. Every once in a while, there's going to be glitches. Usually, it's just leave it for an hour, come back, and then you'll be fine. It's only happened to me a handful of times, and I've been using this program since the beginning of January. So hopefully you don't run into anything. And it seems like they're kind of stepping up with the coronavirus concerns as well. So hopefully they have people kind of monitoring to troubleshoot when things happen. But I hope that helps kind of show a way to help support with this remote learning in these weird times, but good luck. Hope this helps, and hopefully see you soon.